the lead case, including the writ petition filed by the respondent, that is WPC number
1599 of 2024.
1599
of 2024. That is at page 30.
24 is under challenge. So, challenge independent interpretation. First off, the said judgment and order has been set aside by this court by a judgment and order dated 18/6/2024 in case of WA number 580 of 2024 bracketed Jay Marathi Senapati and others versus State of Odisha and batch. First off, the operative portion of the said decision reads thus: paragraph 62, 63, 64, 65. So, this appeal is accordingly allowed in terms of the said decision as noted above.
Item number 7.